babe. Oh my God, it's so cute. I can't stand it. Well, you're definitely getting some exercise. You're going to be tired. You're going to tire yourself out. You're going to tire yourself out. Yeah.
Where are you going, Sabi? All right, ready when you are.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? You ready? Let's go. Well, they're going ahead of me. You're going ahead of me. Oh my goodness. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Here I go. This is just a game. This is funny. You want to step up? Okay, come on. Ready? Where'd you go? Come on, let's go.
She's getting tired. She's going slower.
Boink. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing happy helmet. That's what I'm doing.
What are you doing, little girl? Huh? Hello. Really? Oh my God, really? Does that feel good on your face? Go! Do it! Go! Go!
She's like, I'm tired.
Come on, Mom. Come on. Come on. Look, she's doing it. I'm doing it. Come on.